the month of December has us multiplying by 8. So by the end of the month, they should only have to learn 8 times 7, 8 times 8, and 8 times 9. And we're going to warm up with just a little, mix it up with multiples. So again, these are not easy to be skip counting by. So I personally would just have them put them in order first, over and over. So these are already in order, but mix them up. And just have them be thinking about, okay, 8 plus 8, 16, 6 plus 8, they could go up 4 to 24, more is 24. So just helping them decompose numbers and get good strategies. And then once they get better at putting these in order, you could try that, mixing it up and leaving one card out, but just get them thinking about multiples of 8 for the warm-up. Then you're going to go ahead and move into the visual area cards. And similar to the times 6s, they are split in half. So they should be used to seeing how they can split one in half in order to solve. So this is 8 times 3 because there's 8 rows with 3 in each row. And then they can be thinking about it as 4 times 3, which is 12, plus another 4 times 3, which is 12. 12 plus 12 is 24. That's easy to show with the smaller ones, and then as you get into bigger ones, like these, then they get a little bit better. So you just want to be thinking about splitting the 8s into 2 4s. That way, when you get to these kind, keep these out, that's for division. When you get to the ones like this, like here's 8 times 6, well, if they know 4 times 6, they should, is 24 plus 24, so 24 plus 24 is 48. If you have rhymes, if you have things that you like to use to teach them, that works too, whatever it takes to get them there. But go ahead and practice doubling the 4s or whatever strategies you feel would work for those. And then I also have another visual model. We have bar model cards that are times 8. Again, this is like the times 6. You have to look very carefully for where there's 8 of something. So here's 8 fingers, here's 8 trees. Spiders have 8 legs, and then 8 hearts on each card, 8 dots on the dice. So essentially, you're just having them count groups of 8. You will have division cards that will come later where they're going to have division cards and division expressions. And that's it for the bar model cards. And the last one, again, is more array flashcards. You can use that doubling strategy. Sometimes I like to do, like, if you know 8 times 5, you should be able to do 8 times 6 because 8 times 5 is 40, and then you just have one more group of 8. So it would be 48. So that's just giving them more visuals to be able to see the multiplication and see the strategies that you're talking about. And that's it for the month of December. It's a short month, and again, not very many facts left to learn if they've been learning all the rest. So give it a check at the end of the month.